What's up, y'all? I don't know if this is starting a new vlog. What if it's a new vlog? My name is Shayla. Please consider subscribing. We are on our way to get our lashes done. Do you see these? Yeah. They need some help. Okay, we are back. The sun is facing this way. Yeah, this is a maintenance vlog because your girl is going on vacation on Sunday. Today's Thursday. But yeah, we're on our way to get our lashes. Super excited about that. And my lash lady also does my brows, and I'm really excited about that because the way these brows have been looking, you can't tell right now, but you know, brows make or break your face. So I'm so ready to get them cleaned up. About to hit the freeway, so I will catch you guys there.
No one above us, bless our hearts. Early practices, strategy.
Not passport, yeah, I know sometimes they're like. Good morning, y'all. My face looks dry. I don't wash my face before the gym, but I got my hat because my hair looks crazy right now. But I came on here to show you my lashes and my brows because we're back in business. We're getting our hair done today at 5. I need to go to the nail salon to fix, like, do something with this because no, I'm kind of sad that it's gonna be like one of my last workouts for the next like week. Not happy about it, but whatever. We're going on vacation, so my face looks puffy. Ugh. So I just washed my face. We're gonna use these from Sephora. If I could get it open. These brows. Wash your hands always. Okay, so before we put this on, I'm gonna put this on. I should have done this before I got my lashes, now that I'm thinking about it. Alright, it's been like 20 minutes. I'm gonna take these out too, because I'm about to eat. Then we're just gonna put some moisturizer. My cast will go away in a minute, but I'm about to go eat my food because it's getting cold. What's up, y'all? It's super dark, but we're about to go get our nails done. We need these nails done. These how they look. Crazy. And get my feet done. And yeah, hair appointment is later today at 5. I had worked out this morning, like did I think like 30-40 minutes of cardio because I knew that I was getting my hair done, so that was like the last time I could really hit it hard in the gym until after. vacation, so I need to hit the store because I need like a few travel things. I have most of it, but from just like previous vacations, but I need like them like clear bottles and maybe just a few other things. So yeah, we're gonna hit the store today too. So yeah, let's go get this figured out. What's up, y'all? So we are back. We got our nails done. I'm loving them. And the guy that I went to was like super fast, thankfully, because I was sitting there getting sleepy. Anyways, we are gonna go into the beauty supply store because your girl needs some edge control because where I'm going, my edges might be sweating. Okay, so we went to the beauty supply store. $6 for this is actually insane. It's 5 ounces, $6. These for traveling. Driving my mom's car, but we are on our way to get our hair done. I'm so happy. There's traffic, of course, so we're gonna be getting there right at 5 o'clock. I didn't even put on my hat before I left out of the house. I was literally that excited. Oh well, we're going right into her booth, so I don't even care. We're back. I feel brand new. Just put some lip gloss on. Your skin looks good too. Like, everything's just coming together. I'm tired, low-key. I'm tired. I don't know, that appointment just made me sleepy. I want something sweet. Like, that is my mood. That is my mood all the time, and it's a problem. Anyways, I'm about to head home. Whatever I could find my route home, then maybe I'll get, but I don't know. Guys, we still need to pack. Tomorrow's Saturday, and Sunday we leave early in the morning, so I won't have time on Sunday to like do anything, so I need to do it tomorrow. I do need to go to the bank too, because I always try to travel with some cash. That is a must. But yeah, I'm gonna make it home and we could talk there. What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday. Your girl went to the gym. That's like my last workout for the next week. I'm hoping to like do some like walking and be a little more active on this vacation, but we'll see. Anyways, I'm getting my toiletries together, so let me show you guys all the things I have. I didn't really have to go to the store, as you guys seen. I just like got those empty bottles from the dollar store. I have some butter drop. This is the Venti butter drop. It's a travel size. I have 2 of these actually. I bought one during the Sephora sale, and I have some super goop sunscreen. I bought this during the Sephora sale too, so that's gonna be my first time trying it. I need to pack some face moisturizer. Okay, mental note. I bought this new toothbrush. I don't know how long, but we got a toothbrush. Toothpaste, bought this some time ago. Don't remember when. I'm trying to go like head to toe on if I take a shower, what all do I use. So I first brush my teeth, wash my face. So I need to take my face wash and put some of it in here. Do that right now. Okay. You know what? The easier way would be to just take this top off. Okay, so we got face wash. I just bought like a big pack of bar soap like a week or two ago. So we're gonna take one of these. Also, I'm here to tell you, save your Shein bags when you buy clothes from them because they come in handy. I use these to pack like my toiletries, and then also if I need to put my shoes in my suitcase and I don't want my shoes touching my clothes, I put them in here. Pretty handy when it comes to traveling, so definitely save them. I also got some sunscreen for my body. The super goop stuff is gonna be for my face. So we have some progress. Makeup is in here and toiletries are in here. Now I just need to organize this. All right, also I wanted to show you guys the perfume I'm gonna bring. So this one's from Lancome. I don't know how to pronounce it. And then this one's from Prada. It's Paradox. Both are like pretty, like nighttime scent. Don't really care. Just need to smell good.